it. We don't have saw, we do a stotomy. Take our towels. Flip. Just hold on with the skin. So you don't have to worry about it. So now we can follow. This is the problem what happens in the trap. This is just like a trap. So we are talking about trap. This is what will happen. I cannot see very distal and anterior part. So trap will always, this will always obstruct, though it is a new thing and everyone is talking about it. And so if I have a fracture very anterior, there will be a trouble. So we reduce this fracture, use a reduction clamp. Just flex it. So you have to flex a lot in trap. Once we one thing is we get a reduction distally like this, reduction clamp, and then do our fixation. Other thing what is required for the like columnar approach or fixing the columns first. So what we do, we take one of the columns, fix it, then build up reduction like this, and then we go. So in this thing, one thing is that the metaphyseal reduction has to be very accurate. If something goes wrong here, everything would go wrong. So we don't try this if we are not very comfortable with it. So I think the reduction is good. We'll just go through. Get this thing and other way would be this. We try to put a reduction clamp place where we don't want to put a plate or screws or pins, because many times what happens, that is the position where our reduction clamp is, that is the position where we want to put a plate. So once we are satisfied with the reduction, actually these things are with the elastic band so that they don't fall off for the. So what I do, I just go very anterior, because that is a place I am not going to put my plate. Distal and anterior. Put the wire. Once your reduction is okay, satisfied with the reduction, then what we do, we take a look at the size. It is a side and what side of the arm is specific. That means lateral will go on lateral, right will go on right. So there are 4 types of implants, 4 different types of implant. So this is lateral right side. Will be 3 millimeters proximal to the most distal part of the articular surface, so that when you are doing an extension, the radial head doesn't impinge with it. First one is 3.5. oval. This would be our oval thing. 22, no locking. Okay, this is the thing. First thing you do is this oval hole, so that now we can slide our plate accordingly, like 3 millimeters, at least 3 millimeters, proximal to the distalmost part in the outer glass surface. Wherever it comes, we just tighten it. We don't tighten it fully, because suppose sometimes what happens, it's not proper, then you can slide it here and there. And once it is firmly secure, then we put our aiming device. See, aiming device is not only aiming, it gives compression by rotation of. See, now we'll achieve some. You can have a look. We can achieve compression. 2 millimeter usually. 2 millimeter. Sleep, locking. This is the 2 millimeter drill bit with 2.7 screws. So inventory is a very big inventory for these kind of plates, and if you don't have whole inventory, see, okay, how we measure, it's a 52. We have already measured before in this thing. It's going to be 52. 52 का 52 का है. 50 would also do.
इसके अंदर से निकलेगा
नहीं निकलेगा उसके अंदर से, जाना नहीं है. मेजर हमने यहाँ पे कर लिया. इसके अंदर से निकलेगा. This will enter into this. Yeah, so that it doesn't damage. Or otherwise, what will happen? Drill would break. If suppose it's not canulated, it would break. 50. So see, because longer screws, many times it takes more time. The pitch is less. So what we do, we would go without forcing it. Once we are near, this is all in the end, we are not using. So I have not gone through it. I have not gone to the final tightening. I have not done. Final tightening has to be done with the torque limiting. If we are doing with the hand, we have to rotate at least 50 times. Locking screws, longer locking screws are really difficult to put. That is what I use power thing. Now it's locked. Only one is enough. You can remove this in opposite direction.
इसको निकालेंगे?
नहीं, इसको भी नहीं. Usually मैं इसको टाइट कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. एक स्क्रू हटा देते हैं. Normally 2 millimeter. Then we put one screw in. Whatever we like it, most distal we are taking it, 2 millimeter drill bit. So at least we need 2 screws. वो इसका measure करने वाला है. Okay. So okay, I'll just show. See, when you touch the second cortex, there's a mark. ये mark है इसमें. This is a mark, first mark, which we see, and it's coming out to be 26. So there are 2 markings. One is for double mark, one is single mark. Single mark markings are on the anterior proximal part. This is the distal part. So it is coming out to be 26. So usually what I do, because cartilage is also there, and in X-ray, though screw is not going in the joint, so we take 2 to 4 millimeters smaller screw, because we have to look at the X-rays also.
26 डाल के देखिए सर क्या होता है.
नहीं ठीक है. No, materially transposed. See, it takes long time. If you're putting a long screw, better give it to your assistant. Otherwise, you'll have a carpet. So we can put 2 screws here, 1 more screw here, but we won't go through it because everything is same. Okay, we can put 1 more locking approximately. So proximal ones are 3.5 millimeters, 2.8 ke different. So we are in the cortex. इसको वो था नहीं दिख रहा है वैसे नहीं दिखाने के लिए उसका पता. Okay, we can see. So you can just remove it and see it's coming to be 20. That is the end. 20. So we'll add cortex. 22 will take 2 millimeters for the cortex. 22 locking. This is medial right side. Sleep. Sleep, sleep. 2.5 could be. Depth gauge. Depth gauge. Sorry. 20. Non-locking 20. पूरा ट्रेनिंग है. चलो 2.7 2.7. This is going in this direction so that it doesn't go in a fossa. I think practically this is the lock, okay, and this is it.